Quick, tell me 3 skills that you need to have to score amazing.
Most of you wouldn't be even able to name one.
And this will be a make or break for you.
Imagine you and another person, let's call her Priya, are giving your JEE exam together. You're sitting beside each other while doing so. You feel the nerves there. Everybody does. You see the questions flashing on your screen. So many variables, so many different formulae. And yet, when you peek at Priya's desk, she seems calm and collected and seems to be breezing through all the questions. Now suddenly you encounter a question that makes no sense to you. You call on the invigilator, but he calls you stupid for not understanding the question and says that the question is right. But while Priya calls on to the invigilator, he understands, he listens, and he coordinates with the right person to get the question rectified. She remains calm throughout and gets the problem sorted. What just happened here? Did she just outskill you? For anyone giving any exam, your knowledge is just 80% of the job. The other 20% is what gets you to fail. That 20% is conveniently known as your skills. Everyone gets the same knowledge, it's just your skills that make you stand out. What did Priya have as her skills that made her stand out? Why could she do what you couldn't? Priya showed critical thinking that you never did. She showed negotiation skills that you didn't. She showcased a calm personality that you didn't. Remember, these are all skills. This is not just innate talent. Innate talent also needs to be honed. These are skills. And lucky you can learn these skills for free. You just need to know 3 things to get started on your skill building journey. The first thing is the cornerstone to your skill building journey. What do you want to achieve when you start learning new skills? What do you want to achieve with the knowledge that you have gained? What are your goals? They could be anything as of now. List them down. It could be like scoring 250 plus in JEE, getting into your ideal uni. List down these goals even if they seem unrelated to skill building as of now. We will deal with them as time passes. The second thing you need to know. You're at one particular point in your journey. Your goal may be 100 steps ahead of you. What's stopping you from making those steps ahead? What are your challenges? It could be anything as long as it hinders your progress towards your goal. Say it could be not getting enough sleep. Say it could be not understanding questions properly. List them all down. Do not miss out on anything. As I said with the goals part, we will segregate, filter out the challenges and goals at a later stage. So with your goals in mind and your challenge points within your journey, how do we bridge from your starting point to your goal with all of these challenges in between? So with all the challenges that you have listed, take reference of that. Identify your knowledge gaps. What are they? They are simply those points where you just need to learn more. Say as an example, if your challenge is, I don't understand the concept of limits. That's a knowledge gap. You can immediately mitigate it by learning it properly. So now that your knowledge blocks are removed, from the remaining set of challenges, let's remove all the routine blocks. Say as an example, not getting enough sleep. Again, that can be mitigated by a proper routine makeover. So remove those routine blocks as well. Now whatever is left is a skill block. That is what you mitigate by learning new skills. So as an example again, a skill block could simply be you're not able to read questions properly. What's the skill that you need? What will be your target skill? It will be reading skills. And reading skills aren't what you just learn in English, where you just read a textbook and yes, you have now learned reading skills. It's reading quickly and understanding everything within it. That is what is reading skill, and that is what we need to learn. See, another skill block that you may have, and this is something that a lot of people have very commonly. मुझे आता तो सब कुछ है, पर मेरे को आंसर लिखने को हो नहीं रहा है. बेटा, तुझे आंसर लिखने को हो रहा है, तेरे पास राइटिंग स्किल्स नहीं है बस. Another skill problem, another skill block that can be mitigated by learning this target skill. As I said, multiple different resources available on the internet, but you really need to learn these skills to bridge from your skill gaps to your target goal. If any of this has made sense to you, make sure to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. More so, if throughout this entire process that I've explained, you're unsure, say you are not able to identify your challenges, you're not able to identify your goals, you're not able to convert your challenges into knowledge gaps, skill blocks, routine blocks, you can hop on a call with me for free. Schedule a call in the description down below and get all of these cleared for yourself. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.